Today we are going to learn a case-based studies question from Standard 10 CBSE quadratic equation. So it is saying that a rectangular floor area can be completely tiled with 200 square tiles. If the side length of each tile is increased by 1 unit, it would take only 128 tiles to cover the floor. So assuming the original length of each side of a tile be x units, make the quadratic equation from the above information. So first we will do it, right? Okay. Now a rectangular floor is there. In that, a square tiles has to be laid, right? Okay. So when they lay x tiles, you need 200 tiles, right? Okay. And you need 200 tiles of x length of square tiles, x length of square tiles. So here you understand that what is the area of the square of length x? So all sides are x. Area of the square is x square, right? Area of the square is what? X square. So what is that 200 x length square? Area of 200 squares is 200 into x square, right? And if the length of the tile is increased by 1 unit, that is what they are telling is it is increased by x plus 1, right? Now what is the new area? The new area will be x plus 1 the whole square, x plus 1 the whole square. And you need only 128 tiles of this shape, right? Okay. So what is the area of 128 tiles? Area of 128 square is equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square, x plus 1 the whole square. This area is also going to cover the same rectangle. This area is this 200 squares is also going to cover the same rectangle, and this 128 squares is also going to cover the same rectangle. That means the area of this is 1 equal to 2, right? I am going to equate this now, right? So what is that? 200 into x square equal to 128 into x plus 1 the whole square, right? Now we have to take 200 into x square equal to 128 into a plus b the whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1. Now multiply this, what you will get? 128x square plus 128x square, 128 into 2, what you will get? Plus 256x plus 128 into 1, what I will get? 128, right? So now answering to the first question, we will take it to the next slide, right? Okay. So what is that you got? You got is 200x square equal to 128x square plus 256x plus 128, right? Now, what is the first question? The first question is assuming the assuming the original length of the each tile of the be x units, make a quadratic equation from the above information, right? So what you have to do? You have to take let the 200x square be here, right? Okay, as such minus 128x square minus 256x minus 128 equal to 0. So 200 minus 128 x square, 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 2 3, 72 x square minus 256x minus 128 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, right? Now going to the second question, that write the corresponding quadratic equation in standard form, right? So standard form means you by 8, right? This is first question answer, right? And second question answer, you divide it by 8. So what I will get? 9x square divided by 18, 3 8s are 24, remainder 1, 16, 2 8s are 16, 32x minus 1 8s are 18, 4 48, 6 8 are. So this is your required equation, right? Now the third question, find the, what is the third question? They are telling x, the length of the side of the tile by factorization. Okay, so here you see the given equation is 9x square minus 32x minus 16 equal to 0. So when you multiply, you should get 9 into minus 16 will be 144, you get, right? Minus 144. So when you subtract, you should get minus 32. So when you do this, you will get minus 36 into 4. So when you multiply, you will get minus 144. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14. When you subtract, you will get what? Minus 32, minus 36 plus 4. So you apply that 9x square as such. Instead of this, we are going to apply minus 36x plus 4x minus 16 equal to 0, right? Okay. Now take 9x out. When you take 9x out, what I will get? X minus 4. Same, take x minus 4 out. Here you have to take 4. So 4x minus 16 you are getting, right? Equal to 0. So what I will get? 9x plus 4 equal to 0. So 9x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 9, right? Then x minus 4 equal to 0. So what we will get? X equal to 4, right? The value of each tile is 4. So we'll check now. So what we got? 200 into x square, right? So 200 into 4 square. So what I will get? 200 into 16, 1200, right? In the same way, 128 into what is x plus 1 will be? X plus 1 will be 4 plus 1, 5. 128 into 5 square. 128 into 5 square. 128 into 25, if you multiply also, you will get 3200. Is it clear? Now, the last question. What is the last question is saying? The last question is saying solve the quadratic equation for x by using quadratic form. 9x square minus 32. What is A? A is 9, right? What is B? B is minus 32. What is C? C is minus 16. Now apply it in that formula x equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So what I will get? Minus B is minus, B is 30, minus 32, minus 32 plus or minus square root of, so what I will get? 32 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 16 by 2 into 9. Minus into minus will become what? Plus 30 into minus plus 32 plus or minus square root of 32 square is 1024 minus into minus plus. So you will get 4 into 9 into 6 is 576 by 3 2s are 2 9s are. What is 2 9s are? 18. Now what I will get? 32 plus or minus square root of 1600 by 18. So what I will get? 32 plus or minus 40 by 18. Here you will get first one is 32 plus 40 by 18. What I will get? 72 by 18, that is nothing but 4. So you got x equal to 4. Here we know that when x equal to 4, we know x plus 1 equal to 5, already we told, right? And we forgot to tell one thing. The next root is, what is the next root for here? For this next root is 32 minus 40 by 18. So the answer will come minus 40 by 18 means the answer will come minus 8 by 18. You understand that the length cannot be in negative, so it is not possible, right? It is not possible. In the same way, you have to write it here also. This 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. This minus 4 by 9 is not possible, right? Because the length cannot be in negative. The length cannot be in negative. Is it clear, students? And this is a question which they have asked in the last year. You just do it and you give your feedback. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you, students.